Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in the pose. Draw a simple stick figure to capture the S-curve energy. Once done, measure proportions. Use the head as a unit to keep torso and leg lengths balanced. Make sure to place the 3/4 head guides early so facial features sit correctly in perspective. Sketch light oval for the ribcage and pelvis, connect them with a spine line, and place limb joints as circles. This rough scaffolding prevents structural mistakes later. You now convert the scaffold into solid forms by wrapping cylinders and boxes around the lines. This is how you define volume and mass. As you draw the face, focus on the narrow, intense ultra instinct eyes and a slightly relaxed mouth. This contrast sells his calm power. Once the major muscle blocks are placed, connect them with smooth contours and check silhouette consistency. Make sure to adjust limb foreshortening subtly so the figure reads correctly from the chosen angle. You complete the piece by tackling hair, clothing folds, and final line work. Hair should flow in big, confident spikes with varied strand widths to show motion. Once inked, add deliberate line weight, bold on outer contours, thin on inner details, to guide the eye. Shade using midtones and highlights to create his ethereal glow. Place stronger contrast where form turns away from light. If proportions look off at the end, check the head-to-body ratio and spine curve first. That corrects most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.